Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing fantastic. I am Nikhil, I am Men's Image Consultant. Welcome to another video from Bravo Man. If you're new to my channel guys, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification icon below, and please don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page, which is Bravo Man Image Consultant, and my Instagram ID is also @Bravo Man Image Consultant. Thank you once again for all your support, and let's get in the video. Guys, today's video is really fantastic and the most important video which I really felt of talking about, because a lot of you guys, a lot of you gentlemen, you absolutely go wrong with this smallest thing. I would say the men's essential. How many of you guys do wear an undershirt or an innerwear? We all, right? What if I say that 90% of all the gentlemen, you go wrong with your innerwear and your undershirt? You surprised? Everyone guys, whenever we think about an innerwear and our undershirt, we always think about one thing, which is this. I guess we are all familiar with this term and this particular thing called as banyan or ganji, right? We all wear it. You know, we all must have seen someone wearing this banyan or ganji. We must have seen our friends, we must have seen our family members, our dads, our uncles, sometimes even you guys wear it, don't you? But when I say this is practically a complete nonsense to wear it. First and foremost, if I have to ask, why do we wear an undershirt or why do we wear these banyans? The main reason why we wear an undershirt or a banyan is because it helps us prevent our patchy armpits. Gentlemen, a good undershirt will help to prevent your clothes from getting wet with your body sweat, and it will also help you to prevent the bad odor from your body sweat. So these are a few reasons, and also the most important reason is a good undershirt will help you wear and keep your shirt tucked in always in a very neat way, in a very crisp way. So this is the reason why we wear an undershirt. And guys, trust me on this, probably this is the most important thing which my dad taught me, and I have always seen my dad wearing an undershirt. I have never seen my dad wearing a banyan ever, because practically this will not help you prevent a patchy armpit. If you are a person who sweat a lot, so it is really important guys to ditch this banyan, because this is an utter waste. Guys, trust me, okay? Always throw this and invest in a good undershirt. So this is practically the most important and a must-have essential in every man's closet. Guys, so there are 4 important things which you really need to understand while wearing an undershirt. Number 1, do not confuse yourself in between an undershirt and a t-shirt. Guys, these are undershirts which are more of a body hugging. They have a short sleeves as well as short length, and they have a thick ring. So never confuse yourself in between a t-shirt and an undershirt. Our t-shirts, they have a complete different fit, and they are also they are made of a very thin material. So these are thicker material, and wearing a t-shirt will absolutely screw up your fit of your shirt. So wearing an undershirt should be comfortable. Number 2 is the color of your undershirt. Guys, never ever go with a white or a black color. Never, okay? Always prefer a light gray color. This is the best and a must-have color in everyone's closet. The reason I will tell you is because whenever you wear a black color or a white color undershirt, that will be seen from your shirts whenever you wear it. Okay, so undershirts have been worn not to be seen. So always choose and prefer a gray color, because this camouflages on any of the shirts what you wear it, or any of your polo t-shirts what you wear, it will not be seen. So always choose and always stick to just one color, which is a light gray color. Guys, especially I will say that whenever we wear a white color shirt or a light color shirt, you must have noticed a lot of men, their undershirts or their innerwear are seen. So stick to gray as an option, because that will never be seen, and this is the must-have color, period. You know, do not look out for any other color apart from a light gray. Number 3, and the most important thing, is the pattern of your undershirt. Now always choose a deep V as a pattern. Let me show it to you. I am wearing one at the moment and I keep on wearing this always. So this is called as a deep V pattern. So always choose a deep V pattern, because it is not been seen and your undershirt shouldn't be seen. I have seen a lot of guys wearing a crew neck, like a round neck, and it has been seen from your shirts. It looks absolutely pathetic, guys. Please do not do this mistake. Whenever we wear a shirt, and especially whenever we are wearing a shirt, your undershirt shouldn't be seen. So always choose a deep V. Even if you keep your 2 buttons undone, still it is never been seen. Guys, your undershirts are meant not to be seen. So please do not flash your undershirts and stop wearing the round neck collar. It looks absolutely disgusting, you know. Please, it's a complete, even if you're wearing an amazing clothes, you know, even if you're like suited or you look absolutely amazing, fantastic from outside, but then if your undershirt is seen, it is a complete style disaster. Okay, so your undershirts are not to be seen. If I would say, this is just an example which I would give it to you. If you wear tie every day, then it's okay to wear a round neck tee. Okay, if no, always stick to a deep V, because that is the best choice ever. Guys, point number 4 and the most important thing is the fit of your undershirt. Now, as I said, our undershirts are meant to be worn inside our shirts or our polo tees. So the length of your undershirt shouldn't be too long and it shouldn't be too short, because your undershirts have to be tucked in always. Number 2, which is also very important, is the length of your sleeves. Always choose a shorter length sleeve length, because if at all, sometimes if you wear a short sleeve shirt, your sleeves of your undershirt shouldn't pop out of the sleeves of a shirt, because that is again a style disaster and it looks absolutely bad. Guys, trust me, because these are small things, but then it really makes a big difference in your overall persona, in your overall style. And number 3 is the snug fit. Your undershirt should always be body hugging. There should be snug fit. It shouldn't be loose. Whenever you wear an undershirt, you should feel that you're not wearing anything. It should be comfortable and it should have, because if it's snug fit, if it's a right fit, your movements are not restricted. So stick to this 3 main important things in regards with the fit of your undershirt. Guys, undershirts are a men's basic essentials and a lot of you guys go wrong with it. So that is the main reason why. Lock these 4 things in, and guys, trust me, you will never ever go wrong with your undershirts. And always, guys, please, I mean, this is a request, always choose an undershirt. Do not ever go with a banyan, because that is absolutely pathetic. It will not serve your purpose. Your undershirts are a must. Choose wisely. Guys, if you lock these 4 things in, you can never ever go wrong with undershirts. Gentlemen, please do comment below what do you think and what are your thoughts on undershirts. I hope you love this video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs. If you love it, please do share it with your friends and family. And I would love to see you in my next video. Till then, look great, feel fantastic, and guys, the most important thing, please ditch your banyans. Always choose undershirt. Love you and always look great. Ciao.